Hi, Adam here at the BMW Repair Guide. This is the 2016 X3. Common problem on this vehicle is the door pull on the driver's side actually starts to disintegrate after time, and it's usually caused by people using the wrong chemicals to clean their car. It ends up degrading the plastic and the rubber, and it ends up coming off on your fingers. It gets really nasty. The good news is you can repair this without removing the door panel. They actually make replacement inserts that will slide in there, and it's a really quick, easy fix without having to go to the dealership and pay a ton of money to put a whole new armrest on. So the trick is you have to get the back of the pull out, and once you get the back of the pull out, you can slip in the replacement plastic pull. We have all the parts and tools necessary for this repair in our description below, and let's get started. We'll show you how to do it. So using a plastic trim removal tool, the trick is you want to get this back portion out of the pull. The front's not going to come out without removing the door panel, but if you can get the back out, you can slip in the replacement on top of it and it finishes off beautifully. So you're going to want to get a plastic trim removal tool in, and you're going to want to have to basically break this off. And be careful, but it will come out. Slowly work it, and then you should be able to get your fingers in. There you go, and pull it out like that. You can see it breaks away from the rest of the pull, and it leaves these intact. So now once we get this piece out, you can take the replacement plastic pull, which is actually just inserts right into the old one, and go ahead and install it. And you can see it clicks right in and finishes off beautifully. So tools, parts in the description below. If you found this repair video helpful, we would appreciate it if you like it. We would like it if you could subscribe to our channel, and if you have any more questions concerning your BMW, please visit us at bmwrepairguide.com.